We are
Castellana.
I'm Anna-Marit.
I'm Marianne.
I'm Tuuri.
And I'm Solveig. And we're here in East Berlin to shoot our video for the single called I Will Dance When I Will Go.
In a cold and empty house, I lingered now for far too long. I vainly held a rosary to pray you stay with me a while, but nothing seems to keep me here the way it used to do before. This time it's me that's leaving you. I'll never turn around. 'Cause when the laughter's gone, I know I must be moving on. And I will dance when I walk away. Oh, I'm gonna sing, I won't beg or pray. Yeah, I will dance when I walk away. Oh,
Well, this is a typical Cats and Jammer setting. We're just playing on everything we can find.
no,
And the producer actually kind of caught the right situation for each personality very well. Like Tuuri was always doing this very yes, stiff things, and Marianne was also doing these housewife things, and you were like more the Betty Boop,
Yes.
like cleaning dust, and I was
Doing the silly things.
yeah.
I know I must be moving. Oh,
I guess I was doing some things.
dance when I walk away. Oh, I'm gonna sing, I won't beg or pray.
And we learned a cup dance today.
I'm gonna sing, I won't beg or pray.
And we've got help from a lot of perfect, fantastic, and very good-looking actors to play in this movie as well. In different weird settings, I would say. Anything from soldier from the back in the day, you know, an arguing couple, always eating and arguing, doing the exercise on a homemade treadmill. All these weird settings. That's very typical of Cats and Jammer universe.
Beg or pray.
And the video will show how couples work and don't work in different kind of settings, in odd kind of settings, I'd say.
I will dance when I walk away. Oh, I'm gonna sing, I won't beg or pray. I will dance.
The video is set in a social housing doll's house. Different people trapped within different rooms. That together with a set that we build, which is a replica of it. We're also going to be making these sort of paper cutouts of the girls and all the characters that we'll also animate and play with some tricks where we can cut between the paper set and the real life set. It's the idea of these people being stuck doing the same thing over and over again and wanting to get out of that.
So I guess this music video is going to be great.
Yes.
You should look forward to seeing it, everyone.